Good morning. I'm Joshua and I'm here in lovely sunny Cornwall, and I've just been lucky enough to stumble across a beefsteak mushroom. A little bit past its best, but I'm still inspired to do something with it, and I'm feeling beefsteak beef jerky today. Right, a few hours later, and the mushroom jerky is now at the texture. So it's got a sort of leathery, rubbery sort of texture, just like jerky, which is what we wanted. It's not too crispy, but it's not soggy either. That's really got that jerky texture to it. And those flavours, not too spicy, but really complex, dark. And those morels really add the most amazing umami flavour. Yeah, I mean, that's just as good as beef jerky, and I'll definitely be doing this again. I'm quite excited to try different mushrooms and see how that flavour is. But yeah, you know the recipe, give it a go, let us know how you got on. See you soon.